This kid's 3D printer was sent to me as a gift, and in this video I'm unboxing it, setting it up, and trying out some prints so you can see what the experience is like, especially from someone who has never used a 3D printer before. Right away, one of the first things that stood out to me is how compact the printer is. It has a really small footprint compared to what I expected from a 3D printer, so it doesn't take up a huge amount of space. Starting with the unboxing, everything comes packaged nicely, and inside you get the printer, accessories, filament, and instructions to get you started. The design is also very beginner friendly. It has a touchscreen display, and the setup process was honestly much easier than I expected. I had never used a 3D printer before this, so I was expecting a huge learning curve, but with this one, it was surprisingly easy to figure out. It's clearly designed with beginners and kids in mind because the menus and controls are very straightforward. Another feature I like is that it has a safety pause feature. The printer has a front door, and if someone opens it while it's printing, it will actually automatically pause the print. That's a really nice feature, especially for something designed for kids, because it adds another layer of safety and helps avoid print issues. Once I got everything powered on, I started setting up my first prints. This printer also has Wi-Fi and app control, which makes everything feel a lot more modern and beginner friendly. It also has access to a toy library with downloadable designs, which is really cool if you're new to 3D printing and looking for things to try. The first thing I tried to print on video was actually a little letter L. And I do want to be honest about my experience because I think that's more helpful than pretending everything went perfectly right away. The bottom corners of the L actually started peeling up from the print bed during the print. I did end up reprinting it again off camera, and it worked better the second time, but it still wasn't absolutely perfect. That's when I really started understanding what the included glue stick is for and how important bed adhesion is with 3D printing. But honestly, after figuring that out, everything else I've printed has come out really well. So even though I had those couple learning moments in the beginning, it didn't feel frustrating or overly complicated to fix. In fact, I think it actually helped me learn how the printer works a lot faster. Throughout the video, you can see me navigating the touchscreen, setting up prints, and showing the printing process, so you get a realistic idea of what it's like starting out with a 3D printer for the first time. One thing I really appreciate is that this printer feels approachable. It doesn't feel intimidating or overly technical, which is important if you're buying something like this for kids or even yourself as a beginner. Since it's designed as a STEM learning printer, I think it does a really good job balancing simplicity with actually teaching you how the process works. And at the end of the video, I include pictures of some of the things I've created so far, so you can see some of the successful prints I've made after getting more comfortable with it. Overall, I've honestly been really impressed with how beginner friendly the printer is. I did struggle a little bit trying to print a Benchy. I ended up printing it 3 times before the final one actually turned out, but that was also because I was not using the glue stick. So once I figured out that the glue stick needed to be used to print a Benchy or any larger prints, the final Benchy turned out amazing. Even with a couple small learning moments at the start, I was able to figure everything out pretty quickly. And once I understood how to prep the print surface properly, things started printing really nicely. Between the touchscreen controls, Wi-Fi support, safety features, and beginner-friendly setup, this feels like a really great entry-level 3D printer for kids or anyone just wanting to learn.